So what are beliefs? Beliefs are basically those notions, those ideas, these opinions that are deeply ingrained in each one of us and that we accept as truth. Okay, so remember 11 session on levels of 7 levels of thinking. I think that was session number 11, where I spoke about different levels. So we have beliefs in the center, because we have beliefs about everything. We have beliefs about environment, what's the right environment, wrong environment, good environment, bad environment. We have beliefs about the behavior, the right behavior, wrong behavior. We have beliefs about capabilities, what we can or cannot do. We have beliefs about beliefs, and then we have beliefs about what we consider as important. We have beliefs about who we are. We have beliefs about why we are. So we have beliefs about everything. I often say that the problem is not that we believe something.